Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Welcome back, folks. I've got a super easy recipe for you today. We're going to be making garlic naan bread. Now, big shout out going out to Haste TV. It's inspired by their recipe, but I've made it extra vegan and I've cleaned up a bit of the portions to make it a bit more simple. So we're going to make 4 portions of this. Goes very well with curries, chutneys, whatever you want to do with it, do with it. Folks, remember, if you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based, or no animals or animal products on my channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe. It will mean the world to me and I will love you for it. Let's get cooking, folks. Have a good day.
So for this recipe, you're going to want 300 grams of self-raising flour, just over 3/4 cup of vegan yogurt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, 2 teaspoons of vegan milk, 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds, a handful of coriander or cilantro, 3 cloves of garlic which have been finely sliced, some vegan butter and a pinch of salt. So for this recipe, we're going to start off by adding all of our dry ingredients into the bowl and giving them a nice mix. Next, we're going to add 3/4 cup of our vegan yogurt. Do give it a stir beforehand just in case it gets lumpy. And we're going to put that right in the middle. We're going to add our oil and a little bit of the milk, a tiny bit, because what happens is if you go too fast it becomes sticky and it's a nightmare to work with. If you see that it's become too sticky, just feel free to add a little bit of flour. Then we're going to make a nice ball and we're going to divide that ball into 4 smaller balls. Don't forget, a little bit of flour, bit by bit, not too much at one time. Then we're just going to roll that out. And we're going to add our garlic, some nigella and our coriander. The trick here is, the flatter the better. So you're going to make them nice and flat, nice and thin, and that's when the nice bubbles will rise and they will start to crisp up nicely. Essentially what you're looking for is crunchy or crispy on the outside and nice and fluffy on the inside.
Eventually.
And when we're ready, we're just going to lay them out flat on a non-stick pan. I'm using a pancake pan, but you can use whatever. And you're going to make sure that it's nice and hot. I've used medium-high heat for this. As you can see, it's going nice and brown on the underside. Then going to flip it over and make sure you get some nice vegan butter. Pour that on top, give it a flip, make it nice and greasy. Let that sizzle, and there you go. That is done. Now this goes very well with chutney, also nice curries. It's just a lovely, lovely bread. You can make this very easily in no time. You can also make it at the same time as you're making your curries as well. And that's it, there you go, folks.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, please, once again, if you like vegan, vegetarian, plant-based, no animals, no animal products on my channel, hit the like button down below and do subscribe. I'm so close to my goal of 5,000 subscribers. That will make it so amazing. Please, comment below if there's anything you want me to make, anything from around the world. I'll research it. I'll find out how to make it vegan. Yeah, do it. Love you all. Bye for now.